Now, this specific study, what it's talking about is people that have a low arousal threshold, meaning when they have a lower arousal threshold, meaning they tend to get woken up easily or they sleep lighter, they are much more likely to have sleep bruxism or they happen to clench and grind their teeth. Now, the question is, well, what causes low arousal threshold? Well, if you're choking yourself every single night, then your body will react to it and learn from that. And so when you have sleep apnea, when you have snoring and clenching and grinding, your body's going to recognize that, hey, when I go to sleep, you're going to choke me, and so I'm just going to make sure that I awake really quickly so that way my oxygen rate doesn't drop.